Apparently I can't have a shower in peace anymore. Stealing my shower time. I can try and put my head under. What does she do? I want more water. How am I meant to have a shower like this? Girls are not happy with me. I sort of locked them outside while I get some stuff done inside. They're not happy about it. Here she comes. Let us in. You can last out there 5 minutes. Under the sea, gravel is better, down is where to take it from me. Up on the shore they work all day, under the sun they slave away, while we be floating up and deporting under the sea. The loop plays the flute, the harp plays the carp, the plays play the bass, and they sound the shaft, the bass and the brass, the loop bop it up. I cannot remember the words, but Lyra she don't sing too darn. The song is only a quaffle and on and on. You don't sing along, you don't like the song. No, she, no, only quaffle under the sea. Quaffle it's better, down where it's where to take it from me. Up on the shore they work all day, under the sun they slave away, while we be floating, good and deporting under the sea. Bedtime greens. This is how we preen Lyra. This is how it works. Papa's having preen time too, aren't we, Pop? Papa's having preen time. We don't like the camera. We don't mind the phone now, but we don't like the camera.
Look at your floof! Grumpy potato.
What even is my life now? What is it? I just wanted a shower. Fellow bird-owning glasses wearers, does anyone else have this problem? This is now a daily occurrence. You being a good girl? Where did she poop? My glasses. My glasses. She has a thing for glasses. And this is also the closest I've ever gotten to sit together. This is my night snap. This is every night without fail. This is what I have. Two very cheeky birds wanting all my attention. Especially you. So I'm trying something, or testing something. See if these two, Waffles can't put the cameras on. See if these two can actually coexist in the same cage. It's actually looking possible. I'm shocked. Waffles a bit grumpy about it, but it is a small cage for two birds. You could potentially just get one big cage. That is so nice to know. Hi! Oh, you want to go onto your perch, but Lyra's on your perch.